I welcome all of you guys in the lesson number 33 for grade 3 mathematics. The topic which we started, that is rounding to the nearest 10 and 100, and we learned the foundation of this topic yesterday. A quick revision, and then we will come to the book exercise question number 1, and we will complete it in our notebook. So I was explaining you about how you can round off a number to the nearest 10, right? So for that, first I need to erase this. I tell you, whenever you have to round off any number, so check, you have to round off either 10, 100 or thousands. You are rounding up to which number? So here the question is asking you rounding it to nearest 10. So I am going to write any one number here, 56. So this number I'm going to round it off, okay? So when I'm going to round it off, I'm going to again identify the places. This is ones and this is tens. What I taught you yesterday, that whenever you need to round off any number, to round up to nearest 10, what you will do? There will be two things. Whenever you round off a particular number to the nearest 10, so before the tens, what is the place? That place is ones. At their place, there will be always zero. There will be always zero. If you are rounding to the nearest 10, before 10, what place is that? Ones. So at ones place, there will be always zero. And what will you write here? That will be also decided by checking the number which is on ones place. If the number which is on ones place is 5 or greater than 5, if 5 or greater than 5, then what you will do? 5 or greater, then you will add 1 in the tens, in the number which is on the tens. So this is 5, because this 6 is greater than 5. So 5 plus 1 equals to 6. So the answer is 60. Okay. Or if the number on the ones place is less than 5, so you don't need to add 1. You will simply write the same number which is on the tens place, like 5. Again, I repeat, because you have to round off to the nearest 10. That's why you will check the place of ones. Okay. Whenever you round off to the nearest 10, at the ones place, the number will be 0. Okay. And what you need to write at the tens place, you check the number on the ones. If it is less than 5, then you will write the same number. If it is more than 5 or 5, then you will add 1 on that number, and in that way you can round it off. Is it clear, guys?
Yes,
Yes,
sir.
sir.
Yes,
Yes,
sir.
sir.
Yes, sir.
That's very good. That's very good. I'm going to give you some more examples. Then I will come to the rounding off to the nearest with the amount dollar. Look, if I write here 77. Okay. So again, you are rounding off to the nearest 10. You are sure that on the ones place there will be 0. Okay. On the ones place there will be 0. But for this number, tens number, you will check once either it is greater than 5. Either it is 5 or greater than 5. Yes, it is greater than 5. Then what you will do? You will add 1 in 7. And it will become 80. It will become 80. Okay. Clear, guys?
Yes,
Yes,
sir.
sir.
That's very good.
Yes,
I am
sir.
a
That's very good.
question.
That's
Yes,
very good.
Yes,
That's
sir.
very
sir.
good. That's very good. I give you one more example. Let's suppose if it is 92. If it is 92, so again when you round off to the nearest 10, this 2 should be 0. So this you write 0 here. And now you have to write 9 or 10. That you will decide it by checking the ones number. 2 is less than 5. So you will not add 1 and it will be 90. It will be 90. Clear, guys?
Yes,
Yes, sir.
sir.
Yes,
Yeah,
sir.
sir.
That's very good. Take one more example. Let's suppose instead of 92, it is 95. It is 95. Okay. No 105. Look, again, when you are rounding off to the nearest 10, that's mean at the ones place there must be 0. That's okay. Now, this either would be 9 or 10. If it is 5 or greater than 5, then what you will do? You will add 1. So look at the number. 5 is equals to 5. So what is the point? If the number on the ones place is 5 or greater than 5, then you will add 1 in the 9. If the number on the ones place is 5 or greater than 5, then you will add 1 in the 9. So 9 plus 1 is equals to 10. So this is your answer. Clear, guys?
Yes,
Yes,
sir.
sir.
Any
Yes,
Yes,
question?
sir. Yes, sir. No,
yes,
sir.
sir.
No, sir.
That's very good. That's very good. That's very good. All right. So in that way, you know how to round off to the nearest 10. Just revise how you can round off to the amount, which is dollar in cent. So I give you the example. If there is one amount, $2.36. This is $2.36. So you know this is telling you how much dollar is that, and this 36 is actually telling you cent. This is telling you cents. And the question is telling you round out to the nearest 10 cents. So guys, this is very important. Question is very important. You have to round off to the nearest 10 cents, right? So forget about the dollar. This is you don't need to worry about. You just have to check the cents. This is 36. In 36, this is tens and this is ones. So you will round it off as you learned how to round off. You have to round off to nearest 10, right? 36. So again, when you round off 36, so on the ones place there will be 0, this, right? And because this is greater than 5, 6 is greater than 5, so you will add 1 in 3. It will become 4, and 2 point you will write as it is. So it will become $2.40. Clear, guys?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
That's very good. That's very good. Now you are going to tell me the answer of one example. $4.76. Yes, guys, tell me your answer in the chat box, please. $4.76. Round it off to the nearest 10 cent. Nearest 10 cent. $4.76. Ahmad Muhammad, very good. Ahmad Shihab, no. Ahmad Jibrail, very good. Full answer, yes. Ammar Khalid, very good. All students need to participate, guys. Firas, where is point? And you have to round off $4.76 to the nearest 10. Very good, Iyad Khalid. Kareem Muhammad, very good. Jihad Muhammad, very good. Kareem Nasir, no. Look, after 7, that is 6. On the ones place, 6. If the number is on the ones place is 5 or greater than 5, then you will add 1 on the number which is on the tens place. Okay. Many students are not participating. Abdul Ghaffar, Ahmad Usama, Ahmad Awad, Ahmad Kandil, Iham, Amro, Anas, Iyad Ghalib and Iyad Khalid, Hamza Walid, Siddiq. Answer me in the chat. What is the answer, guys? I'm going to open your mic.
It's $4 and
$4.80. $4.80.
Very good, guys. The answer is $4.80. Because you are rounding only cents, so you will just round off to the you just care about the cents, and this dollar will be same. $4 will be same. $4 will be same. This you have to find out, and you know after this there should be a 0. When you round off this to the nearest 10, so this becomes 0. Because it is 6 greater than 5, so you will add 1 on 7 and it will become 4.80. This is the answer. Now take out your notebooks. We are going to do some work. Question number 1. Take out your notebooks, please, guys. I'm going to share a new screen with you. Take out your notebooks, write today's date. It is 2 March 2021, Tuesday. Page number 49. The topic is rounding to nearest 10 and 100. And question number 1. I'm going to write a question from the book. Question number 1 is round each amount to the nearest 10. Round each amount to the nearest 10. A $1 $1.23. Answer B dollar 2.47. Answer. And C 67 cent. And you will help me to complete this, guys. Guys, did you start writing?
Yes, sir.
Yes,
Yes,
sir.
Yes, sir. Wait for us, sir. Wait.
Yes, sir.
That's very good. That's very good. Okay, guys. Now tell me the answer of question number 1A, $1.23. When you round off $1.23 to the nearest 10, what will be the answer? Jihad Al Sayyed, very good. $1.23. It's very easy. You have to round off to the nearest 10. Ahmad Jibrail, very good. Jihad Muhammad, very good. Iham, yes, but $1 point, not only 20. Iyad Khalid, very good. Kareem Nasir, very good. Ammar Khalid, very good. Ahmad Muhammad, very good. Because you have to round off to the nearest cents, 10 cents. Okay. So forget about the dollar. Whether it is $1, $2, $4, forget about it. After point, there are cents. So just care about the cents. Ahmad Awad, very good. Very good, guys. Very good. Other students, please. Kareem Muhammad, very good. Siddiq, can you hear me? Very good. How much you have? Siddiq, can you hear me? Firas, very good. Yes, guys. What is the answer? $1.23. When you round off to the nearest 10 cents.
$1.20.
That's very good. And guys, when you write $1.20, some students are writing like this. So don't need to write cents. If you write $1.20, that's mean there are 20 cents and $1. Okay. Now 2.47. B. $2.47. Answer me in the chat box. $2.47, guys. 2.47. Jihad Muhammad, very good. Iham, very good. Ahmad Muhammad, very good. Kareem Nasir, very good. Jihad Al Sayyed, very good. Ahmad Jibrail, very good. Iyad Khalid, very good. Hamza, very good. Kareem Muhammad, very good. Ammar Khalid, very good. Ahmad Shihab, very good. No, Ahmad Usama. Ahmad Usama, you know, check the cents. There are 47 cents in dollar 2.47, right? So you will check this number. 7 is greater than 5. So you will add 1 in 4. That will become 5. It will be 50. And this will remain same. Dollar 2.50. No. Okay. First I will take the answer. Then I'll explain again. Yes, guys. For B, what would be the answer? Very good. 2.50. The answer is 2.50. For the students who are who even did not get, I'm repeating. When you have to round off to the nearest 10 cent, sorry, this is 10 cents. Okay. When you have to round off to the nearest 10 cent, so what you will see, you will just check the cents. You will not consider the dollar. The cents are 47 in dollar 2.47, 2.47. There are 47 cents, right? And 47, when you round off 47, so you will check the ones and the tens. So on the ones, if the number is 5 or greater than 5, then you will add 1 on the tens number. So 7 is greater than 5, so you will add 1 on 4, 4 plus 1, 5. And on the ones place, you will write 0. So it will become 50 cents. So dollar will remain same, 2.50. It's dollar 2.50. This is your answer. Same here. It is dollar 1.23. You have to round off to the nearest 10 cents. So you will not care about dollar. You will care about only cents. 23. In 23. Now you will check 3 is greater than 5 or less than 5. Less than 5, don't need to add 1 on 2. So it will be only 2. It will be same and you will add 0, 20. And you will write same here, dollar 1 point. This will be your answer. Clear, guys? That's very good. Now answer me for C. 67 cent. Now there is no dollar. Only cents are there. This is very easy. 67 cent. 67 cent. Very good, Ahmad Jibrail. Iham. Jihad Muhammad. 67. 67. Amar Khalid. Very good. Ahmad Awad. Very good. Jihad Muhammad. No. Your answer is wrong. Kareem Muhammad. Very good. Iyad Khalid. Very good. Yes, Jihad Muhammad. Very good now. Iyad Khalid. Very good. Other students also need to participate, guys. I'm observing some students are not participating. Very good, Kareem Nasir. Amro, very good. $0.67. Yes, guys, can you tell me the answer, please?
2.50. 2.50 cents.
I'm asking for C. 67 cents.
70.
Very good. The answer is 70 because 67 cent, 7 is greater than 5. So you will add 1 and 6, 7, and on the ones place there will be 0. So it will be 70 cents. This is your answer. I'm going to write D, E, and F, then I will ask you. D is 36 cents. 36 cents. You have to write answer. And this is E. E is 97 cent. and F is 12 cent, right? F is 12 cent. So this is, guys, you have to answer me. 36 cent. Yes, guys, 36 cent. Can you answer me? Round it off to the nearest 10. 36. 6 is greater than 5 or less than 5? Very good, Iham. Very good, Jihad. Very good, Jihad, but it is not dollar, it is cent. Ahmad Jibrail, very good. Kareem Muhammad, very good. Ammar Khalid, very good. Yad Khalid, very good. Ahmad Awad, very good. Firas, very good. Hamza, very good. And those students who are not answering, I am watching them. Hatem, Fahad, Al-Humam, Ahmad Kandil, Ahmad Awad. That's very good. Muhammad Awal, no. Jihad, very good. Ahmad Muhammad, very good. Al-Humam, very good. Kareem Nasir, very good. Jihad Al-Sayyid, very good. Yes, guys. 36 cent. Round it off to the nearest 10 cent.
40 cents.
40
Very good.
40 cents.
40 cents, sir. 40 cents. 40 cents.
Very good. Why 40? Because 6 is greater than 5. So you will add 1 in 3, 4, and on the ones place you know that it when you round off to the nearest 10, it is always 0. 97. Yes, guys. Round off to the nearest 10 cent. 97.
100.
100.
Very good.
100 cents.
$1. 100. $1.
That's very good. You can write 100 cent or you can also say $1. 12 cent. Yes, guys. 12 cent. 12
10
cent.
cents.
10 cents.
That's very good. It is 10 cent. Again, 7 is greater than 5. So you will add 1 in 9, 10 and 0 on the ones as it is. Or $1 because 100 cent is equals to $1. So you can also write $1. 12 cent. Look here. This is 12 2. 2 is less than 5. So you will not add 1 and it will be same 1, and instead of 2 you write 0 on the ones place. It's 12 cent. Now the question is, guys, after this, which amounts have been rounded down? Which amounts have been rounded down? Which amounts have been rounded down? If these were prices in a shop, these were prices in a shop, would the shopkeeper accepted the shopkeeper accept the rounded down amount. So guys, this is very easy. Now what you have to check, first you have to check which amounts are rounded down. Okay, what does mean rounded down? Look, this is $1.23. Okay, this is something cost $1.23, but when you round it to the nearest 10, it becomes less. It becomes $1.20. So if let's suppose you are buying a biscuit that is $1.23, but you say I'm going to round it off. Don't take $1.23. Take $1.20. So will the shopkeeper accept it? Yes or no?
Yes, sir. Yes.
No. No.
No.
He will not accept it.
No. I meant to know.
He will not accept it. If you round it up, he will accept it. Instead of $2.47, if you give him $2.50, he will accept it. But once you round it down, he will not accept it. Why? Because he will never take less money. He can take more money. Clear, guys?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir. You write a mistake on the question.
Yes, sir.
On the question?
Yes.
Which mistake?
On the question.
What mistake?
The question of number 1, which amount have been rounded down if these were prices in a shop? Will the shopkeeper accept the rounded down amount? You have a mistake in accept.
Okay. Finish. Okay, guys, look, which amounts you are rounded down, you have to check here. And you have to write the answer. This is rounded down from $1.23 to $1.20. This is rounded up, 2.50. This is also rounded up. This is also rounded up. And this is also rounded up. And this 12 cents. So you will write that a dollar. Okay, guys, class time is finished. Inshallah, we'll write it tomorrow, the answer of it. Okay. Until then, take care of yourself. I'll meet you tomorrow. Bye-bye.
Bye, sir.
Bye, sir. Bye, sir. Bye, sir. Bye, sir. Bye.